Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. My name is Pamela if you're new here. Today's video is a very exciting video because I'll be sharing with you guys an at-home body contouring machine. If you guys have been following me for a while now, you guys may know that I love body contouring, and I actually always get it done at a med spa. It gets pretty expensive, it kind of adds up after a while, so I honestly got so excited when this brand sent me this machine to use, and you guys, the results from just 1 week alone is insane. I just love it because I have more control over my treatment. If you guys are excited to know about this machine, what it does, the benefits, how to use it, how much it costs, make sure you guys like this video so I know to make more, and also be sure to subscribe down below, hit the bell so you don't miss my next upload. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first and foremost, before we get into the actual machine, I kind of want to break down what body contouring is and is it safe, because I feel like those are the main questions that a lot of people have if you haven't heard about it before. Just a disclaimer, I'm not a professional, okay? I'm not certified in this, but I have been to different med spas and used different treatments, and I've learned a lot about it since I've been doing it for a few years. So I'm just sharing with you guys my experience and my results, of course, and the things that I know about it. So if you guys want to know more in depth of everything, I would highly suggest doing your own research. So the purpose of body contouring is basically to get rid of any stubborn fat and be able to shape your body how you want it to be, as well as tone everything up and tighten your skin. So it helps a lot with loose skin, cellulite, or just any like love handles or anything like that. But I don't want you to get it confused with just losing weight, because this works hand in hand with working out. So it's highly recommended to work out when you do these treatments, because all of the fat cells can be flushed out through your lymphatic system, and that's how you're able to really get the best results with this. If you guys haven't seen my other videos on body contouring, I'll link it down below, but I kind of go into depth on how that works. But I got a lot of comments saying that, oh, you're already petite, like why are you doing this treatment, blah blah blah. And it's honestly because it's for stubborn fat areas, not for weight loss in general. So I think that's where people get it confused. It's honestly just for stubborn fat, so it works really well if you are at a healthy weight and you just have some areas that you're trying to get rid of, or you just want to tighten up your skin. You're going to see more results, especially if you work out. So keep that in mind. This works hand in hand with a healthy lifestyle as well. So it is very safe to do a few times a month, which I recommend. And it's honestly a game changer, you guys. Like, I love using this, especially now that I can use it at home. It's been amazing. And I have been using this for 3 weeks, and I'll be showing you guys the results at the end of this video. So make sure you guys stick around to the end. I got this machine from myChway online. I will actually have it all linked down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out if you want to try this out for yourself. So this is the 3-in-1 40K ultrasonic cavitation machine. So this goes for $230, which might seem a lot if it's your first time. But for me, since I've been doing this for years, I've actually spent way more than that just on treatments alone. And if you go to a med spa, treatments can be anywhere from $150 to $300. That's what I've experienced, at least. So this might be a little expensive, especially if it's your first time, and I highly recommend getting your first few treatments done professionally before you actually buy your own machine, so you kind of can see how to do the actual treatment on yourself. Sorry guys, I'm a little sick, so if my voice starts going out, don't mind me. Honestly think the price of this machine is honestly so good, because you can use this at any anytime you want. You could use it as much as you want. You'll basically never have to get body contouring ever again. So it's very, very easy to use. Let me show you guys how to use it. So first and foremost, when you start using any type of cavitation machine, you need some type of slip on your skin to move the tools around your body easily. So you want to make sure your skin is always hydrated and slippery with some type of oil or some type of gel. So I have been using the Vaseline body oil. So this is a body oil, but it's not too oily where it's going to interfere with the treatment. And it's very, very hydrating as well. So you'll just apply a generous amount of this all over the area that you want to work on. And I've actually tried this treatment on my legs and on my stomach, and the results were crazy. So I stopped using it on my legs because I'm actually trying to build up my legs, and I didn't know that it was going to be that effective. So I actually stopped doing it on my legs altogether. So it actually comes with 3 different heads. So you're going to get the 40K cavitation head. So this is the flat one right here. It actually is very easy to use. Like there's really no like technique that you need to know with this one. You just have to keep it moving on your body while you're doing it. And for this, you're actually going to hear a little staticky sound when you use it. So it's only because it's the ultrasound waves that are going through your body, so that's why you can hear it and no one else can hear it. But that's the only weird thing about using this. This is actually going to break down your fat cells. So when I use this, I actually use this for 30 minutes. And I do it on the highest energy level because I feel like it just works more effectively that way. And this doesn't hurt or anything like that. It just gets a little warm if you've been using it for a while, and that's about it. But this is what's really going to help loosen everything up and really get down in there. So I like to put kind of like a lot of pressure when I use this, just because I want to make sure I'm getting like deep down in the fat layer. This is safe to use at a level 10. If you're first starting out and doing this on your own, I would say just try level 5 and then work your way up until you're comfortable. But I love to use this around my torso. I feel like it really helps to contour that area. And then I like to use it on the bottom of my thighs to kind of just tone up my legs a little bit. But this actually works so well that I don't use it too often on my legs because I am on a weight gain journey for that. But this is the one that's going to really make you see results. So moving on to the radio frequency tool. So this is what it looks like. This is for your body, and it has some studs around here and a light in the middle, so it really helps to tighten the skin. So be careful with this one because you can like burn your skin with this. So I would start off on the lowest energy level. When I first did this, I started off on a level 3 and worked my way up to a 5 or 6. But it just depends on how sensitive your skin is, and my skin is pretty sensitive. So I feel like this one is the one you have to be careful with. Make sure that you're always moving it on your skin. Don't leave it in one area or it will burn you. So that's the only thing with this, is for skin tightening. So you're going to feel it tingling on your skin, but sometimes it can be a little too harsh. So definitely be careful with this when you use this. I use it in the same motions, but I don't put as much pressure. I kind of just let it glide across the skin. Moving on to the last tool they have. This is a little mini version. Look how cute this is. So this is actually for your face, and it has only 3 studs here. Same thing, has the light in the middle. This is going to help very tighten your skin on your face. So I actually used this one time because I don't really have wrinkles or anything like that, and I don't have any loose skin on my face, but I did wanted to see if it works, so I tried it out on my face for you guys. I did it underneath like my eyes here to kind of like lift it, and then underneath my chin. So the only thing that I was skeptical about this is it's kind of scary to use on your face, in my opinion, because I don't really like to touch my face with anything. But this definitely helps like the bottom of your chin area and to help tighten that. So if you guys have any problems down here, I feel like it will work really, really well for that. But this is made for the eye area. If you're worried about getting wrinkles around your eye area, this is what it's for. I highly suggest closing your eye on one side if you do this. I'm just skeptical about radio frequency around my eye area. It's still very safe to use, just make sure you're careful with this. And if you guys try it, let me know if it works, because I tried it on my chin and I feel like it did, but I didn't do too many sessions because I feel like I don't really have anything to work on, to be honest. But if you guys do try it out, comment down below. So the cavitation machine is actually very easy to put together. It all comes just like this, and it comes with a little stand as well. All you do is screw the stand together, and then you just place all the tools inside the stand. And then it comes just with a power outlet and you're good to go. It's super easy to use. You can use it for as long as you want or as little as you want, and you'll still get really great results. The only thing that I've heard from the med spas and stuff from my experiences is to wait about 36 hours in between treatments, so you give your body a chance to metabolize everything and flush everything out before you do another treatment. So overall, I genuinely love this machine, you guys. I've honestly have seen such great results, and I've only been using it for 3 weeks. But even after the first week, I've seen such a difference. And on top of like working out in between, just really helped me to reach some of my goals as far as how toned I want to be. And I haven't gotten body contouring in a while since the pandemic, so the fact that I'm able to finally get back to it and do it on myself is so amazing. I think it's such a convenience. I'm saving so much money by just doing it myself, and I feel like I have more control over my results, because I don't know if you guys have ever experienced this, but when I get it done in other places, sometimes they don't really go through the whole treatment, and sometimes they don't put enough pressure so that you can always keep coming back, of course. Just make sure you guys keep that in mind if you do go get it done. But yeah, I highly recommend trying it out professionally before you actually purchase this. But such a great price, so easy to use. Everyone should have this at home. So if you guys are interested in this machine, make sure you guys check down below in the description box. I will have a link for you there. But this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Hit the bell so you don't miss my next upload. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!